Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Tomaso Pantera. And this car I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it looked great in red with the different wheels on it, but it was definitely a beauty. And as far as the history of the Panteras, that was a joint venture between Tomaso and Ford in 1971. And in America, they went from 1971 through 1974. They continued on as Panteras or as Tomasos in Europe until 1982. But as far as the American cars, they had the 5.8 liter, 351 cubic inch Ford Cleveland motor, the V8, and they had a 98.4-inch wheelbase, and curb weight was 3,131 pounds in 71 and 3,250 pounds after that, which would make them 1,420 kilograms and 1,474 kilograms for Europeans that use the metric system. But Ford basically got out of the joint venture in 1975. They stopped importing them to the U.S., and they sold about 5,500 cars between 1971 and 1974. So they had a good run. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1973 Tomaso Pantera. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.